Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am unstuffing from my envelopes. I have a little list here of items that I need to take back to the bank because I already spent them. Most of them are Amazon purchases. And then I did do like a couple of mobile orders. So that's basically what I used my card for, and I need to take the money out of the envelopes and take it back to the bank. So first things first, I have some in here that I want to take out first. I have a Starbucks one. I reloaded a few times. I always put my Starbucks reloads in here. So that's $30 that I'm taking back to the bank. And I'm actually gonna grab a marker. I like to do a little highlight on it, just like out of preference. That's just what I like to do. Okay, so that one's done. And then next, I have an eating out. So I went to Einstein Bagels and I did a mobile order there, and I need to pull the money out. So that was $9. That's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's going back to the bank. $9. This is gonna be a quick unstuffing, I hope. Oh, and then I'm gonna do a cash condensing too. So I'm left with 7. First, oh, I grabbed the wrong one. Oops. Okay, hold on. Let me redo this. Yeah, that's like 5. I think I didn't. Hopefully I didn't mess that up. 10. Oh no. 30. Okay, sorry. We'll leave the 30 here. I grabbed from the wrong. See, I thought it was gonna be quick, and then I just totally messed up. All right, so here is the 9. All right, so I don't have exact change, but I can. I'm gonna come back to this one. Okay, let me come back to this one. So actually, you know what I can do? I'm gonna go in a buffer because I have 10 here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can make myself change from this one, and then I should be good. Okay, so let me put this back in buffer. Sometimes I'll use buffer for this reason. I make myself change. Okay, so now I have $9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $9. That is correct now. And now I'm left with $5, 6, 7, $8. And eating out. Okay, now that one's good. All right, so now that I almost messed that up and didn't, thankfully, I can move on to, let's see, are any of these? No. All right, so I'm done with my wallet. I don't have any more envelopes in there. I'm gonna pull from, let's go into my black binder because I have a few electronic stuff that I need to pull. So it looks like I have about, let's see, that's $31. Yeah, $31 that I'm pulling from electronics. I did a few purchases here. So 31, perfect. And that one, I can check off all of these because all of these have been taken care of. Oops. Okay. And then I'm left with $1. I need to update my tracker. Minus 31. I'm left with $1. And then, yeah. All right, so that one is good. And I believe that is the only envelope from this binder. Honestly, I don't even know if I'll be able to condense anything because unless I have lots of 5s. I might have lots of 5s. I don't know. We'll see. Beauty, I need 15 to this binder. Beauty, I have 10 in beauty. I don't have enough. So in these situations, what I do, I'm going to take the 10 from beauty, but I still need 5. So I'm going to go into my back to buffer. Sometimes I'll use, another way I use buffer is I will use it for envelopes that I'm short in. So I need 5. I'm gonna take buffer. Now I have 20 and I can give myself 5 back here into buffer. And I'll just 0 out. Beauty. Okay, so 10 and 0 that out. Perfect. So beauty is all good now. I'm just going to highlight that. That one's done. All right, and then last is content. I did buy something for filming, so I took it out of content, and that is $43. So I have 45. Okay, so I do have some 20s, so that's good. So I can give myself $2 back, and I'm left with 10, 15, 16, 17 in content. 17 minus 43. All right, so that one is updated. And I can check that off and highlight it. All right, so now that I think I'm good. I don't think I messed up. I think I fixed my mistakes. I should have 128. That's the total of this, all of these items. So let me double check. I have 128. So I have 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1, 10, 20, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 128. Perfect. Now, I don't have a lot to condense with, but you know what? I have a couple of 20s. I could possibly use these in a couple of envelopes. Actually, I want to check my savings because I have, before this one gets like too full. Let's see if I can condense this. Well, I could do 5s. I'll do 5s in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I guess I got a 5 over here. And that one looks pretty good. And then if I could keep the 20s and maybe the 10s, because I have been stuffing a lot of 5s recently in some envelopes, so I might be able to do that. So let me go into this one first. All right, so let's see. Okay, so I have a 20 here. And I'm left with 120, I'm sorry, 100, 200, 250, 270, 275. That is correct for auto repair. Electronics has 1, so that's good. Emergency, maybe. I already have a good amount in the bank. Okay, that one looks pretty good. That one's good. Emergency. Extra savings. Oops, I have 40. I think, yeah, those 2 20s. Furniture has 8, so that's good. Rainy day, maybe rainy day. Okay, I actually kind of want to leave it this way. Oh, you know what? I actually need to take out of this envelope. I completely forgot about that, so it's a good thing I went through here. I forgot to write rainy day because I took a day off from work last week. And I usually take like a no PTO day, and then I will take some of this money and put it into my account. It's not like my full pay, but it's something. So I think this week I want to do, let's see how much I have. I have 67. You know what? I'll just do 60, 20, 40, 50, 60. Okay, so yeah, I totally forgot about that. Was there anything else? I didn't go out of town. Yeah, it was just the day that I took off. So I'm just going to put this over here. Sorry, I just completely forgot about that. Totally slipped my mind that I wanted to do that. And I'm just going to leave it at 7. Okay. And now my new total should be 168. I'm sorry, 188. What am I doing? 188. Okay, so that one's good. That one's checked off now. All right, so let's see if I can condense anything else. That one was good. Road trip has 25. I'm gonna leave this as it is. Scentsy has 37, so that one looks good. Subscriptions has 280. I think I could do some 10s. Yes, I could do a 10. So that's 200, 250, 270, 280 in subscriptions. Travel has 130. Okay, another 10. So that's 130 in travel. All right, so that one's good. Okay, next one I want to work on is this pink one. Go Wild. I have a feeling like if you're waiting to hear like I am about Go Wild, patiently waiting, I feel like they might, I don't know, I feel like they might say something soon. So, I don't know, it's just like I saw, I don't even know how to explain it. On Instagram, if you go into like your direct messages, like so they have this feature where you can do like a note, like if you're thinking of something, it's like a little speech bubble, and it's like people's like thoughts. And Wild for Planners who throws Go Wild, they put something about not leafing anytime soon, like not leaving but leafing because of fall. And then it was like hashtag GW25. So that's what makes me think like something might be coming soon. Yeah, that was nice to see. I feel like they're dropping little hints in that little message area. I keep noticing things. They're not like outwardly putting it in their stories, but I've noticed them in the little direct message area. So yeah, if you're on Instagram, like sometimes go and pop in there and see if like you see them with the little speech bubble, little note in the direct messages. 50, 70, 75. So I have already in the bank 1,000 in the bank. I have a placeholder, and then 1,075. So yeah, I'm hoping that means soon we'll hear something, because I really want to plan it out. I mean, yeah, that's my only concern, is just making sure it like doesn't interfere with any of my other plans for next year. So that's the only thing. I have no, like, I'll be able to get the time off from work, I know, because my work is pretty good about that. As long as we ask like a couple weeks in advance, they're like good. So I usually put my request in like months in advance. For my Europe trip, I put that in like a year in advance, so they have like no reason to say no to any of it. All right, treat yourself. Looks good. But yeah, I'm excited. Can't wait to see like where it's gonna be, find out where it's gonna be. Okay, oh, I can do a 10 here. All right, perfect. So that was hobbies, 50, 70, 80 and hobbies. Perfect. All right, next binder. Let's see which one. This one's my Christmas binder, so I don't really need to work on that one. Condensing wise, okay, let me go in here. Beauty has nothing. Clothing has 20. Does it have 20? Oh, I can do a 20 actually. Okay, so I'll do a 20 for clothing. And then content has 17, which that one's good. Family has 90. Oh, nice. I can do a 20, 10, 15, 20. So now I have 90. That's what I should have. 90. Gifts. You know what? I am going to condense this a little bit. I've been not condensing it recently, but I do want to condense it. Just maybe a 10. Yeah, a 10. I'll do a 10. I want to leave like a good mixture. I have like 5s, I have 10s, 20s, just in case I want to give cash as a gift. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 1, 10, 15, 20. So that's 120 in gifts. Perfect. Looks good. Okay, and one other thing. This one. I'm gonna go back to my savings binder. I've decided I'm not going to condense these anymore. I'm gonna let them be, because I end up taking it back to the bank anyways at the end of the month. And I do like a reel, and I like showing, like, for the $10 challenge, I have all 10s. For the $5 challenge, I have all 5s. So I'm just going to keep it as it is. But the power up one I could, but I don't, actually, is there 5 in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I could do the 5 here. Since this one is just like a regular kind of savings challenge. That one I already did. The ones, I'm going to keep the ones. And then I have this one, which I'm going to keep. And then I have this one, which is 40. So that one's good. Okay, so that was it. That's all I could really do. So now I should have 188 over here. Now that that's my new total. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91, 10, 20, 30. 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. Perfect. Didn't mess it up. Almost messed it up. Beginning, but thankfully everything's all good. So 188. This is all going back to the bank, just into my checking account. And that's it. So a little unstuffing and condensing, pretty short video probably. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.